Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to share your Instagram stories to Facebook as stories instantly and without much effort. This is a great and easy way to double your social media content. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about sharing Instagram stories to Facebook stories, check out our detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Instagram marketing for absolutely free. Links to this blog post and other free Instagram resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before diving into the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. We are currently giving it away for free. Links to the checklist in the description below. Alright, so before you would be able to set up this connection that will enable us to share our Instagram stories to Facebook as well, you have to have two things. So first you have to make sure your account is an Instagram business account. You can find tutorials on my channel or on my blog 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com how to do that. It's really easy. And secondly, you have to connect that Instagram business account to a Facebook page, because this is how Instagram will know instantly where to share your Instagram posts and stories if you want to do so. So once you have done both of these, then you have to set up this connection so you will be able to share stories to Facebook as well. So all you have to do is click on this menu bar here, then click on settings and select account. Then here in the list select sharing to other apps, then select Facebook, and as you can see here is the Facebook page that we have connected this Instagram account to. Select it, and as you can see here you can select this toggle to automatically share Instagram story and or Instagram post to Facebook. So let's select this one and this one. So once you have made this setup and open up your Instagram profile and create a new story, then as you can see at the bottom of this screen, we're going to share this Instagram story and it will be instantly and automatically shared on our Facebook story as well. So if I click on share, as you can see, you can also add it to highlights and send it to friends, but click on done. And this story will be also shared as a story on Facebook as well. So this is how you can share an Instagram story to a Facebook story. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.